hard to find. AWD Hybrid Bargain Lot. Safe to drive. This vehicle has been safety checked by our ASE certified technicians and was deemed qualified for our Safe to Drive Bargain Lot. Car is sold as is. No warranty is expressed or implied. If the Chapman emblem isn't on the back of your vehicle, you probably paid too much. www.chapmanlook.com